In recent, very fast technological growing world, do you want to build your own startup or a venture? Especially in field of financial domain or into the stock market, into the NSE or BSE using that data. So before going ahead, let me tell you one thing. There is a thing which is called a data, which is a new industrial fuel it is. Hope you will agree with this. So data you need to get, you have to churn it, and you have to find or define some idea over it. So today we are not going to show you like we have 10 different ideas where you can implement and become a multi-billionaire person. No, but in order to build some idea, you need to have some kind of basic raw material, which is nothing but a data where you can churn it, you can process it, you can do a data engineering over it, find some idea, implement it, and then become a unicorn startup people. Okay, so now taking you ahead. So in recent days I have been researching on different facts, and I have came across an API from the Zerodha where you can not only get a real-time data but a very reliable data. So we will be seeing today how we can get the different types of data from the stock market, maybe real-time data or historical data. You can process the data, collect the data, re-engineering it, churn it, and find different ideas using AI. So today's video we are watching different doors, and or we have opened different doors where you can get different APIs and formed new ideas basis of the different types of data using Zerodha API and of course C#.net. So let's begin, and before going ahead, let me introduce myself. I am Vivek Kumar and I welcome you towards my channel Vivek Kumar budhiTowardsWisdom, where it is a very good channel where you should go through it and you can get different types of idea plus technical expertise into some of the fields of C#.net. So please go through the video and understand and get benefit out of it. Now going deeper into the today's video and the idea how to get the different real-time stock data to develop some idea. Before that, let's see with the Zerodha APIs what are the different benefits you will get. The first benefit is that you can simulate or automate different studies. So you will get the different large amount of data, historical data from the Zerodha APIs, and you can churn it and make your process automate. So how we will see it in the program. Second is that you can do data auto fetching. You can generate different agentic AI. You can implement agentic AI and do the auto fetching of the data for some of the use case. You can AI applied after once you get the data. You can do a data engineering, and you can apply AI to find some useful idea or some definition out of it. And finally, different research and idea implementation. We can make it. Who knows? Going ahead, your idea could be a unicorn idea. Yeah. So we'll see how we are doing it after fetching different APIs are there. What are the benefits are there into the Zerodha APIs and documentation. So here we can see we have a program, but before that, I would like to take you to the historical calendar data. So here we have a Kite docs, which is nothing but documentation and API documentation from the Kite, which is from again Zerodha. Now we have here different kinds of user data order, GTT order, alert, portfolio. How you can do different things are there. Okay, mutual fund data, margin calculator data, and all those things you can get from the API. So today we are simply talking about the historical candle data. So in this data you can get different types of attributes like timestamp, open, high, close, and many more. So this is about the candle data, and lot more information you can get. After getting it, you can automate it. So that also you can do. So these are their endpoints, like get endpoints. You can go through the documentation. You will get minutes by minute, day by day, 3 minutes, 1 minute data, very reliable data. So just go through this document, and it will give you this what do you call this fraction, where you can have response like that. Different data you will get, process it, and then you can use it as you need is there. So now we are going to see how our program is working. So here is a lot more structured You can see the constant enum. Okay, everything is been defined, structure, ticker, all those things you can see. Like for GTT order we have, so these many properties we are having it. You can get quantity, price, order type, different types of things. So for us, we are using this instrument. So in this instrument you can get all kind of properties and information, like last price, what is the last price, what is the exchange, what is the strike rate, what are the lot size are there for a particular order of the stock. So instrument for this particular day, exchange token, what are the different the properties are there, you can use it for your purpose. So let's go directly jump into that and see how things are working. So it's starting from the main, here main, and it will go to the set session expiry hook. So what it does is that it will first of all have a connection with zerodha API, and then it will maintain the session for it. And there are a lot of things, message, and it initializes the session. Here in it will initialize the session. It will create the success token. It will create if everything is established. We're going to see it how it is. Now what I have done is a small way. I have taken what I have done. What are the total instruments they have in that? What are the NSE instrument? And in that NSE also a lot of things are there, mutual fund and many other things. So we have taken as instrument type equity. So you are checking only for the equity. How many equity? Around I think 7,000, 8,000 we are seeing here record. And then what we are doing is that don't worry about it. This is just for getting this particular entity, whatever with the equity. What are the open price, close price, how many lots, how many the volume has been traded for this particular time or particular day. So for getting it, we need to use all these things. And this what we are doing is that this API we are calling, this is Kite API. So what it does, you can go through it. So you have to pass the instrument token, which date you want, which is the interval you want. Continuous and OI we can ignore. This is nothing but open interest and the continuation of the expired instrument. Once you pass it, it will give you all the historical data from it. So let's go back here. So what happens is now what we do is let's go back to the program and see. We will calling this and we will be adding the record which suppose for example the Reliance equities, Reliance symbol is there, or its stock price is there for particular date, what was the open, close, volume, and volume and many other parameters which you want to take. So everything is being recorded here, and I'm using it for the different purposes. Yeah. So this is the main thing. Like I wanted to check for the APIs. This is the main API which is getting called, and you would be needing it. So date range, same date range I have put because two different, because I need a 3 date range value on 12th May, 5th May and 27th July. And one more I want, May, June and July. So 24th July, 27th June and 5th May data only we want, because of some purpose which I am doing some research. You can use it for different purpose. You can we have here you can make it as a not unreachable code because I am doing something else, but you can use a GTT, you can automate GTT, you can place an order, everything you can do automated. So again, it's a very good potential program and APIs again. So let's run it. Let's see exactly how it works. So it works with the token. So token you need to generate from here. So you need to generate, you need to apply, you have to go to that Kite Connect and buy some. It is chargeable, but I am sure that charge is not too high, and the way they give the reliable data and the real-time data. So I think 500 rupees it cost you per month, I think. Since expiry I have a 1 month, so 500 rupees per month, but you will get really good amount of data to your study and your research, or maybe making the research and generating idea and creating and startup venture. So once you will get the API and all, okay, you need to put into your program. put into the program. I'm not showing it because it is for confidential purpose. Here above, like my token here, same way we have to put one API keys and all, and let's run the program. Yeah. So what it is showing is, go to this HTTP address. We need to go to this HTTP address. This is my default port and the HTTP link. Go to here, paste it. Okay, so it is asking me password. After putting it, you will get this page. Don't worry about it. What we need is that we need a request token. So here is a request token. So copy it. Now before pasting, I need to put some of the breakpoint here. Okay, kept it. Now what it's doing, it is fetching all the records which is available in the NSC. So you see how many records we have found. So 8,148. In that, how many NSC stocks are there? 8,000 almost. So how many stocks are there? We have almost 8,000. So now what we are going to see again, we are fetching from equities. So we have 8,000 equities now. So we have NSC stock 8,000. So we will be running it. So we'll be running it. One second. One count. So this is the main thing, that how many datas we are having. So now we can see we are having one data here. Close is this one, high is this one, 10, low, open, timestamp, and what is the volume traded for this particular date time. So, and what we'll do is we will go again here and let's, yeah. Okay. So what we are going to do is, so gold star power, we have got it, and we have got gold start power and its data, open, close and all. So it will run for 8,000 records, so no need to go through it and understand. So what we do is, here we have received the historical data, large volume. I have taken only one example to show you. With this, billions of data you can get it, you can automate it, you can put the order, many things you can do. Once you get data, you may do a data engineering and find the good way you can make some kind of idea. Okay, implement the idea and start your startup or venture. Yeah. So this one, for this I think this is it for now, and we will be checking other aspects maybe in different videos. And if you want to understand more and more detail, you want full code from it, you can again write into the comment section. If any concern or any doubt or anything is there, please write into the comment section. And hope you would have liked this video and understand many things about it and got some striking idea, the mindset to get the data, generate idea, rather than believing on somebody that these are the million ideas. Get the data, churn it, do data engineering, find idea, and start your own venture and become a millionaire, billionaire, or have a unicorn of it. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to this channel, so that very good video we will be bringing to you. And don't forget to go through the channel and understand many more concepts related to that. Yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye.